Stop thinking that agricultural engineering is just for people who couldn't make it into real engineering. Most people see this field and they just think of tractors and mud. They imagine someone fixing a fence or driving a truck. But if you actually want to know what is keeping the world from falling into total chaos, you need to look at what happens behind the scenes in this industry. If we stopped doing agricultural engineering tomorrow, the grocery stores would be empty in a week, and the world population would start dropping fast. You are looking at the most important branch of engineering that exists, and almost nobody even knows what it is actually called. So, let's get the definition straight. Agricultural engineering is the branch of engineering that applies mathematical and physical sciences, as well as engineering principles and technology, to the design, development, and management of systems for the sustainable production, processing, and distribution of food, fiber, and other biological products. In a simpler form, agricultural engineering is the branch of engineering that applies science and technology to improve farming, food production, and the management of natural resources. If you take mechanical, civil, and electrical engineering, and throw them into a blender with a heavy dose of biology, you get agricultural engineering. It is the practice of designing and building every piece of technology used to grow food and get it to your plate. The first big part of the scope is what everyone thinks of: power and machinery. But don't just think about a tractor. Think about a combine harvester. This is one of the most complex machines humans have ever built. It cuts, separates, and cleans grain all while moving through a field. You have to understand gears, belts, and hydraulics, which is how we use high-pressure liquid to lift thousands of pounds with a switch. If you like taking things apart, this is your world. We are building robots that pick strawberries without bruising them, and making machines lighter so they don't crush the soil. Without this machinery, we'd still be using horses and shovels, and we could only feed about 10% of the people on Earth. This is just the beginning of the story. See you in the next chapter. Like, subscribe, and share.